Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prableen, and for today's video it's going to be all about my current hair care routine. You guys asked me how I keep it so healthy and soft and smooth even after my hair got burnt after the entire disaster that happened last month. So I'm gonna tell you how I keep my hair in a very good condition. I struggle with split ends, I struggle with frizziness, dryness, and also hair fall, and this range of products has helped me a lot to tame down all of that and really take care of my health. My routine is like very simple, but it's really good and it actually does what it says. It's a professional range of products. So if you're someone that is interested to know how I keep my hair healthy even when I don't trim it, how I keep my split ends in check, and make sure that my hair is in a very healthy condition all the time, then definitely keep on watching. But before that, if you're new here and you like what you see, then definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell right besides it. Follow me on my Instagram. We talk about body, skin positivity and everything related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. You will love it there. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So whenever we have split ends on our hair, what is the first thought that you get? Let's just trim our hair. But I have a solution to that, because you don't need to trim your hair anymore. The range that I'm going to talk about today is the Professional Matrix Optilong Range. Now this range is really good, especially curated and specially made for the needs of long hair. So you know that I have long hair, and it becomes like a task, okay, like to take care of long hair, to take care of the split ends. The whole range has ceramide in it, which basically keeps the hair nourished. It keeps our hair soft and smooth. It retains moisture in the hair, and it makes it look shinier and healthier throughout. After I started using these products for some time, like probably 2 weeks, a week or two, I could actually like see a difference in my hair. I could see that the frizz was so tamed down, and the best product that I have found is going to be revealed right in the end, so stay tuned for that. So ever since I started trying these products and using it every single day, because I wash my hair every alternate day, I could see a very visible difference. My hair was much better, much healthier. It was smooth, the dryness was much less, and it just looked really healthy and nice. So always I firstly go in with this product, which is the Matrix Optilong Professional Nourishing Shampoo. So it basically removes all the greasiness and cleanses the hair like very thoroughly and strengthens and nourishes the hair. After which I go in with the Matrix Optilong Professional Nourishing Conditioner. This makes my hair so manageable and tangle free, which is why I love this product, because you just need to leave it on for like 3 to 5 minutes. That is what I usually do, and you can see such good results. You feel it when you wash your hair that your hair is already so soft. And the third product is the Matrix Optilong Professional Nourishing Leave-In Cream. So this is the star product of this video. This protects my hair, it helps me with split ends, it tames down all the frizziness and makes sure that my hair is extremely soft and healthy. You have to focus on this, especially on the ends. I'm going to show you how I use this, so let's go. So I've already washed and conditioned my hair using the Matrix Optilong range. I'm going to be using the Nourish Protect Professional Nourishing Leave-In Cream on my damp hair. Now I've towel dried my hair, and I use like a microfiber towel on my head, and I kind of dried most of it. So you want to apply this when your hair is like semi dry. I love the consistency of this, so it's pretty runny. So I take like 2 pumps of it. This is how it is. So I basically just take it on my hands and I start applying it from the mids to the ends of my hair. You really want to focus on the ends of your hair to avoid split ends And I always like to do this once I wash my hair, because you can see the hair is so manageable. It's so soft, bouncy, and so healthy. And you can just follow these 3 steps and see such good results on your hair. So a very simple and easy tip. It's a secret tip that I do whenever I have to look stylish and really like out there, which takes like 2 minutes, okay? Not even 2 minutes, 30 seconds. So what I basically do, so I do this stylish, very simple hairstyle to make my hair look really nice. So I just take the front sections of my hair like this, and I take this section as well. Now all I will do is just take it together and tie it together, okay? So just take any rubber band that you have and put it like that. Once your face looks like this, I know it looks funny, but once it's ready like this, you just need to take this and pull it right behind. The hair looks amazing. I love this hairstyle. I remove like a few strands from the sides. So yes, that is it for today's video. All of these products are available in different sizes, and I am so sure you are going to love it, because I love these products, and especially the cream, the leave-in cream. It has my heart. I love it. You can see my hair looks so good. Now we have the shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in cream in different sizes.
This product comes in a 350 ml bottle, which retails for 535 rupees.
And it's a lot of product, okay? This is the 196 gram product, which is for 470 rupees. And the leave-in cream is of
95 ml,
which retails for 445 rupees. All of these products are exclusively available with amazing offers going on right now. So you can check the link in the description and get your hands on these products. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you all did, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.